Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add collections to your Shopify store. So, you want to make sure that you're on products and then you scroll down to collections. Once you're on the collections page, which is this right here, we can actually add a title to our collection. So, this is not a title for the products within them, like specific products. This is just the name of the collection. So, we're going to want to sell classical nunchucks as well. So, we're going to put classical nunchucks. If you have that, you can go to the description, add the description of it, and then when it says collection type, you always want to be on manual. And then we go down to search engine list, and this is what will pop up online. So it's going to be classical nunchucks. And then we want our store to be online, and then we can also add images for just the collection. So when you click on that, it'll pop up your computer images, and then you can actually add those images manually. And then after that, you click save and it saves that collection. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.